Hello, it's Deborah here, an independent designer of Chalk Couture, and today I wanted to go ahead and show you how to open and store your Chalkology paste packets that you usually receive in the kits. Now, this is how I did mine, and it's pretty much similar, but my problem is I like the color, and I don't know what the color is, so I need to come up with another way of doing that, which I'm going to show you. All right, first thing you do when you get your packet is you need to knead it. Make sure it's all mixed up in there fairly well. And then if you have a paint stir stick, you could use the handle to do that. But if you don't, you can use the back of a butter knife. And you want to slide as much of that paste towards the top. Okay? Then what you want to do is take the scissors. Now you could cut it all the way across. I prefer to cut off the corner. To me, it gives me more control of how much I squeeze out of the packet. So you just go ahead, you cut the corner. Now if you have these little paint trays that came with the kit, you can use those. I have a ceramic plate that I use, and I've already getting paste on me. So what you do is you just go ahead and you squeeze some of this down towards the end there. Because I'm going to be using this for a project. Oh, that is bright red. And then you just go ahead, you squeeze it back out. Now you're going to have a little bit that's going to kind of ooze out a bit, so just kind of fold that corner over and then start just folding or rolling this down. All right, okay, is making a mess. Let me grab a wipe really quick. Thank goodness it's washable. But anyhow, well, you know what? Let's just fold the flap over and then do it like this. And then kind of squeeze it back down towards the end. And then get a piece of Scotch tape. And then just tape your flap down. Get a couple more, maybe another piece or two. And there you go. And then you can store it, and that way you know what the name of the product is. The color, I should say, that you want to get. All right, I'm going to go ahead and clean myself up, but I hope you found this information useful. And if you did, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for whenever I post a project video or some of these how to, take care of some of your products, how to clean surfaces, things like that. All right, thank you for watching.